Ramogi TV.
En nonro mapod biro dhi nyime. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto medo siem jokanyo mar bad migawo mar doho mowacho ni temo umo kendo rocho lweny mar kedo gi mibadhi. Ruto wacho ni apisas moko mag doho ma bende gin jong'ad bura osebedo ka itiyo gi josiasa kendo thiro lwenj mibadhi. Ruto bende ne oromo kod jotelo mawuok Kisii kod Migori par jot mare ma Kakamega.
There are people in our judicial system who are facilitating corruption by working with the corrupt. That is why certain cases go to certain judges, because they are part of the corruption enterprise and the corruption industry in Kenya. And I want to tell you, all these collaborators, we will deal with them firmly and decisively. We serve notice to those in government, those in the engineers of corruption in the private sector who bribe government officials at the county, at the national to facilitate corruption, and those who have made it a habit to go and hide in court with court orders, with stay orders and all the things that go around in court. We are going to make sure that the judicial officers who facilitate corruption in Kenya must also leave.
Kadhi nyimi komiti mateo tuwake kind Azimio kod Kenya Kwanza